We know how the pharmaceutical blisters are packed and they are supplied in pharmacies. Usually they are all packed in mono cartons and you have a product information leaflet in the carton and you get a blister, okay? But in pharmacy, when the patient or customer goes, they only give the blister inside. Many a times, 90% of the times, they don't even give the carton. They just throw the carton away and they just give the blister in our hands. And the blister has a foil background, and the printing on the foil also how difficult you know very well. Many a times we don't know actually what is the actual strength we are taking or not. Sometimes are we taking the correct medicine or not. Pharmacist can make errors. Even the patient who takes the medicines also can take errors. To avoid all these problems, EcoBliss has come out with an innovative packaging solution. Here I am demonstrating. Yeah, imagine this is a blister, okay? This can be 2 tablets or 4 tablets or 8 tablets, anything. You have the product card, you have the blister and the card. This card is an EcoBliss card which is printed as per the brand. Your brand will come and then the product name will come and printed, and according to the size the card is die cut. You have an innovative EcoBliss Cohesive already applied here. So to the pharmaceutical company, they have the blister which contains the tablets, and they have the card. So what they need to do, they just simply place the blister in the card what is provided. Just simply close it. It's already closed, okay. And for packing, we have a host of machines. For small volumes, you have the EcoBliss jiggle roller. This is a tabletop machine. Here it is. After this, you are just simply placing this. And you are just applying pressure. There is absolutely no heat. It is just by pressure. By simple pressure, it's already done. Now it is closed. The advantage of this is the tablets are remaining inside. And the customer, when he uses it, can simply take out this. This is a tamper evident proof, and he simply press this, and the tablet can consume the tablet. We just saw a demonstration how EcoBliss cold seal blister packaging is done on a jiggle roller. And this simple pack, EcoBliss blister pack, now what you are seeing in my hand, contains 2 tablets, right? And as I said, this can be used for 4 tablets, 6 tablets or 10 tablets, any kind of blister can be used. The advantage of this is this pack can be used for a physician sample or even a sales product also. As I already told you, the blister is fully sealed in the pack. It will not come out unlike in a normal mono carton. So the patient is ensured his medication is trapped inside. Till such time he take out you have a tamper evident seal on the back side, and then till such time he takes out the whole medications, the package remains with him. I will show you another one. What you saw is a simple blister card. This is called a pharmaceutical wallet. What you are seeing inside, you have 6 tablets. Usually you have dose packs. The doctor prescribes dose like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, something like that. Or sometimes we have a morning one, evening pill, and again morning pill and evening pill. So you can have number of tablets here, and the description also can be printed here. In the normal course of time, what happens? You don't have the mono carton. The pharmacist will never give the mono carton. You only have the blister. Many a times we forget whether we taken the dose or not. Many a times we don't take the full dose also. And then what is that lost in the regular carton is that regular packaging, blister packaging. We don't even know actually whether we are taking the right medicine or not, because the strength or the brand, whatever printed on the back side, many a times it's not legible. Because by the time you don't have the carton also, you don't have the production information leaflet also. The advantage of this is, till such time the patient takes out all the medications, the pack remains with him. So what he is taking, what medication he is taking, what strength, whether it is 70 mg or 35 mg, it is written on it. So it is ensured, patient ensures himself that he is taking correct medication. Anytime he wants to refer about the product, the entire product information is printed on the same wallet. So as I told you, till such time he consumes the last tablet, The word comes wallet because it simply goes into a wallet and and can keep it. So it is very patient friendly, and it also falls under compliance packaging also. It's very useful for the patient, and also in terms of the companies, the brand of the company is visible. Unlike in the normal packaging where they throw out the box, where the brand is highly visible, in this the patient keeps this pharmaceutical wallet till the end. So the brand also completely registers with the patient. So that is an advantage to the pharmaceutical company also.